Ever wish you could get that item now and pay for it in smaller, manageable chunks? Afterpay makes it possible, and today, we're showing Australian residents exactly how to master it. First things first, to get started with Afterpay, you'll need to download the Afterpay app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and select Sign Up. To create your account, you'll be asked for some basic personal information and to agree to their terms and conditions. After setting up your basic profile, Afterpay will prompt you to link a payment method. This can be a debit card or a credit card. Simply enter your card details as requested, and Afterpay will verify it to ensure smooth transactions down the line. Understanding your spending limit is crucial. Afterpay assesses your eligibility and provides an initial spending limit based on factors like your payment history and the payment method link. This limit isn't fixed. It can increase over time with responsible use, meaning timely payments. Now, let's talk about using Afterpay. For online purchases, simply select Afterpay as your payment option. At checkout, you'll be redirected to log into your Afterpay account to confirm the purchase in physical stores. Open the Afterpay app, tap on the In-Store tab, and generate a barcode which the cashier will scan to process your payment. Regardless of whether you shop online or in-store, Afterpay automatically splits your purchase into 4 interest-free installments, typically due every 2 weeks. Your first payment is usually due at the time of purchase. Afterpay will send you reminders before each subsequent payment is due, making it easy to stay on track. And that's it. By following these simple steps, Australian residents can easily set up and use Afterpay to manage their purchases and budget more effectively. Enjoy the flexibility.